everyone. Today we are going to start with our new topic, mechanical injuries, which is a topic of the forensic medicine. So first of all, let's see. Injuries can be caused due to the blunt object, sharp object, and pointed weapons. Okay, due to the blunt objects, there can be abrasion, contusion, laceration, and fracture, and sharp object, incision, and chopping. And due to pointed object, there can be stab wound, which involves the dermis and epidermis both, and in abrasion part and it only involves the epidermis part. Okay, and incision, light cutting weapon, and chopping is due to heavy cutting weapon. Now let's see here abrasion. It is the most common injury, which is also most medico legally significant wound. Now there are layers of the skin, which is epidermis and dermis, and thereafter blood vessels. Okay, now and in abrasion only there is involvement of the epidermis. Now types of abrasion, there can be caused by the tangential force as well as perpendicular force. Okay, due to the tangential force there can be scratch abrasion, which can be due to the fingernails, thorn, pin, and graze abrasion. It is due to the friction between the skin and rough surface, and it is all seen in the case of the road traffic accident. Is also known as the gravel rush, brush burn, sliding abrasion, and friction burn. Okay, what are the characteristic of the abrasion? Such as no bleeding, no scar formation, except in the cases of the corneal abrasion. Now due to the perpendicular force, there can be pressure abrasion and impact or imprint abrasion. In here the force is less but the duration of the contact is more. It is seen in the case of the ligation mark, and impact and imprint abrasion, in which the force is more and the duration is less. It is seen in the case of the tire mark, radiator grill mark, or recoil abrasion. Now in the patterned abrasion, there is imprint pressure plus pattern of weapon abrasion. For the aging of the abrasion, there is one mnemonic R3B3, which is known as raw, reddish scab, reddish, brown scab, and black scab. Okay, what do you mean by scab? That is dried limb. Okay, here are the duration part, which is less than 12 hour, greater than 12 hour, 2 to 3 days, and in brown scab 4 to 5 days, and black scab 6 to 7 days. Now in the case of the antemortem abrasion and post-mortem abrasion, antemortem, and it can be present anywhere in body, and post is over bony prominences. Here the appearance will be reddish, here it is yellowish, scab is present, scab is absent, vital reaction is present, and it is absent. What is vital reaction? In vital reaction there is one positive zone and negative zone. In positive zone there is increased enzymatic, where the healing start.